everybody kindly stand and please lead the prayer. Good morning, class. Before you take your seat, kindly pick up all the pieces of paper around your place. Let us check your attendance. Class secretary, is there any absent for today? Okay, very good. Perfect attendance. So last meeting, I gave you an assignment, right? Without any noise, please pass it forward. Class, going back to our past discussion. What was our past lesson all about, and kindly share what you have learned? And what are the formula of circle? What is the importance of knowing and getting the total surface of circular shape of a form? Okay, so very good. It's nice to hear that both of you can still recall and remember our lesson last meeting. Before we thoroughly discover our today's topic, let us first have a game called Metric Mix-Up Challenge. Okay, do you understand, class? Okay, so our topic for today is all about metric conversion. And before we proceed to our discussion, let's first be guided with our learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to kindly read. Okay, thank you. Those are the objectives. I need your cooperation and full participation to obtain them. Can you do that, class? Okay. Now let's move forward with our discussion, which is all about metric conversion. The basic unit of length in the metric system is the meter. Everybody, please read. Okay, thank you. So, I will give you an example of each unit of length in the metric conversion. 5 kilometers to meters. So, 5 kilometers to meters. Okay? So, 5 km times 1,000 is equal to 5,000 meters. 5,000 meters. Is that clear, class? Okay, another example. Sample 2, the 25 decimeters to centimeters. 25 decimeters to centimeters. So here's the solution. 25 dm times 10 cm is equal to 250 centimeters. 250 centimeters. Okay? Do you have any question or clarification? Okay. So now that we finally okay, so here is the example of how to find the area in hectares. Square. The width is 1 m. The length is 1 m So, area equals length times width equals 1m times 1m is equal to area equal 1 meter squared. So that is the answer. Okay, next problem. Do you understand, class? So now that we finally discussed the metric conversion, what have you learned from our topic? Okay, since everyone understands the topic very well, we will have an activity. The class will be divided into 3 groups. Each group will solve the given problem, and afterwards, one representative will present or explain their answer. You have only 5 minutes to solve it and 2 minutes to present it. Do you understand, class? Okay. This is the criteria that we will use to rate your activity. Presentation 20, cooperation 20, timeliness 10, and the total of 50 points. Okay, do you have any question or clarification? Okay, since you don't have a question, we will have short quiz. Kindly close all your notes and get 1/4 sheet of paper. Please read the direction before you start answering. Okay, number 3. Okay, now let's check your paper. Kindly exchange your paper with your seatmate. Okay, so for your assignment, write in a 1/2 sheet of paper, search the following: formula of canal cross-section, formula of weighted canal section. That ends our lesson for today. Kindly stand, class. Praise be Jesus Christ, now and forever. Amen.